Good evening, parents and families. Welcome to the AACT Back to School Night for 2021. We're so happy to get the opportunity to get to know all about you and get you some information about our school. To kick us off, just to tell you a little bit about our school, we are Washoe County School District's only career and technical education high school. That means beyond the standard high school diploma, our students engage in rigorous pathways that are aligned with the career pathway of their choice. Our academy choices include Natural Resource and Animal Science, Business Academy, Culinary Arts, Engineering, Medical, Teaching and Training, and Communication Arts and Media. Offering a rigorous academic program is part of the core beliefs of AACT. We are proud to say that we are one of the highest achieving high schools in all of Washoe County School District. We are happy to announce 100% graduation rates year after year. We have over 50% of our students who enroll in dual credit through TMCC. Over 70% of our students graduate with AP credits. We go above and beyond with our students because we believe that rigor is part of the avenue towards a successful career. We have multiple opportunities for students to engage in rigorous coursework here. We have a great partnership with Truckee Meadows Community College and offer many courses even right here on our campus. Another part of AACT that makes us great is our student leadership. We believe that we're not only producing students who can enter the workforce, but be leaders within the workforce. And a huge part of that is our student leadership class. Kathleen, could you tell us a little bit about what our students do in student leadership?
Some of the things students do while they're in leadership is plan for different events, such as homecomings, pep rallies, all kinds of dances. Something too that we're trying to get for this year, since because of last year, due to COVID, we weren't able to have any dances or any social gatherings due to restrictions. We're trying to plan out socials so that way students can gather and they can play games, they can have something to eat like popcorn or ice cream. And we try to work with the other teachers in the school. Like we work with the chefs at our school in order to get better deals on the ice cream and things like that.
Perfect. So you really help build a sense of community for us and bring us together as a family. Thank you for all you do in student leadership. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
In addition to our leadership class making this just a fun place to go to school, all of our students gain leadership skills during their time here at AACT. Their academy experiences, their community service involvement, capstone projects, and junior service learning are all ways where we get students into the community to make a difference in the world and leave this world a better place. Another part that makes AACT so amazing is our parents and our parental support. Nobody can represent that better than our own parent boosters, and our president, Scott Chatham, is here to tell you a little bit about our wonderful Parent Booster Club and what they do for our school.
Excellent. Thank you, Ms. McMaster. Thank you for having me and allowing me to speak today. It's a real pleasure. So, as you said, I'm here to talk a little bit about boosters. I want to talk a little bit about the things that boosters do and just talk about ways that you can get involved. So, a couple things that boosters do. Basically, our overall writing thing is to support our students and our staff. We do that in a variety of ways. So the last 2 years, we've actually funded 13 $1,000 scholarships for our senior age students. We have also provided resources for a variety of activities for dances. We've staffed committees. We've done a lot of great things. We've also provided teacher appreciation. Last year we provided 4 meals for our teachers because a happy teacher translates to happy students, right? We've also provided parents and professionals for our junior age students to provide mock job interviews for them and give them feedback to help them in their future careers. We provided money for the Student of the Trailblazer of the Week. We've also provided money for graphing calculators for our math students. So it's a lot of great things that we've been doing with boosters. It's a great organization, great way to get involved. So how do you do that? Real simple. There's a couple different ways. On the ACT main website, there is a hot link to our boosters page. There is a membership form that you can print out. You can either do that, or we also have the forms right here at the school. Right when you walk in the office, you can grab one of those and fill it out. Cost to join is only $20, but you're more than willing to give more. It's like actually $20 per family. So all you gotta do is fill out the form and slip it right in the AACT Boosters mailbox. The last way you can do it is once a month the boosters have our board meeting. So the second Wednesday of every month, the booster board gets together and we encourage all parents to attend that. It's a great way to find out what's going on at AACT, great way to get involved. We have committees that are forming right now. Also, when you get on our list, we'll also send out activities that you can get involved in. So great way to get involved in what's going on with your student, great way to give back. We encourage all parents to join.
Here's just a few frequently asked questions to close out my presentation today. First of all, we get a lot of questions about DMV forms. During a student's time here at AACT, they typically get to the age where they get a driver's license. So if your child is getting a learner's permit or a driver's license, you may run into, oh, I need a certificate of attendance for the DMV. We no longer sign those forms here at AACT. There is a link on our website under the Parent and Student tab, and if you go to that tab and click on Forms, it'll take you to the scrib order where you can order your certificate of attendance. Those certificates take between 2 to 10 days, and they expire after 60 days. So after your child gets their learner's permit, they'll have to get a second one before they get their actual driver's license. Another bit of information that you might find helpful is some clarification around enrichment. All freshmen and sophomores have been enrolled in enrichment. If juniors and seniors are on campus, they need to be enrolled in enrichment as well. Our school day goes until 3 o'clock. However, if students have their own transportation off campus and can leave at 2:30 every day, they can opt out of enrichment. So if your child plans on being off campus at 2:30 every day, they may opt out of enrichment. If you have any questions about that, please feel free to email your counselor. Lastly, good news, free breakfast and lunch for students this year. So your child is welcome to get free meals. We also have some a la carte items available for purchase. We hope that you've had a good start to the year. We are so happy to have our AACT family back together again. Enjoy the videos and information provided on our website from all of our staff, and we look forward to seeing more of you in the future.